up guys, it's me again, making another video, and this is helicopter landing in the field part 2, and yeah, so it's just helicopter in a field with people now, and we're talking, but you can't hear them because I'm inside. Oh, it might be taking off. Oh
my god!
Yeah, that was definitely me. I'll tell you when we're taking off.
He's not.
That's me, sorry. 2 hours later. 6.5 years later. It's starting to go! Go! Oh my god, guys, it's actually taking off. And, yeah, so it's taking off. As you can see, it's taking off. And, yeah, so, yep, keep on taking off, but it's not taking off. Probably, I can't see the propellers spinning around. But, yeah. I'm done waiting till it's actually taking off. You can probably. Sorry, but you can hear it. And yeah, so there it is. I'm done waiting until it actually takes off and see if I can see it like from the bottom. And yeah, sorry about all this. I'm filming it. Yeah, so obviously you can hear it. Oh, it's taking off. I need to. Where's it? Shit.
They're gonna turn lane. They're gonna go left. Yeah, why get a better picture than you? Where else are they gonna go? Go over
There it is. Goodbye. Bye. And it's off.
That's a wrap on set 64, chopper scene, take 48.
You hear us? I'm still recording.
Oh shit. Oh.
That doesn't matter, Blaine.
Bye.